Memorizing certain things in life is essential. Some may find it difficult, but some may find it easy. But here is a young girl who has been trained by her dad to take memorizing to an entire new level. Take a look.
Memorizing a phone number can be easy, but how do you memorize 100 random numbers, and that too multi-dimensionally, that were dictated to you minutes back? We have got somebody here who does just that. Can we call her a math genius or a photographic memory wizard? It's up to you to decide what she is.
My name is Krishna. Welcome to this Mind Dynamics. I have with me my daughter Pooja. I would like to describe or would like to show to you how the human brain works. Brain is nature's greatest miracle on this planet. Mind is a product which is yet to be identified or explored by the mankind. I'll just show you an example of how things can be stored systematically. I got some cards here, okay, all with random numbers, okay. Just I'm going to shuffle this. I'm going to shuffle this, and we don't know what number comes first, what number goes up. Okay, totally it is shuffled. Now I'm going to take up my pen. I'm going to write everything which comes out of the number from the card and jot it on this board. Okay, now I'm going to give it to this card to my daughter Pooja. Pooja is going to read out those numbers and I'm going to write it here on the board. Pooja, start now.
98.
98, okay.
32.
32, okay.
36.
36.
55.
Okay, 55.
61.
61.
83.
83.
21.
21.
27.
27.
25.
25. One moment please.
82.
82. After 25 it is
82.
2. Very good. Okay.
18.
Okay, 18.
62.
62.
38.
38.
60.
16 you mean?
60.
60, sorry. 60.
46.
46.
17. 17.
Okay.
40.
40. 40.
Yes.
Okay.
14. 14.
Okay. 14.
Yeah.
Okay.
88.
88.
And 15. 15.
Okay. Yeah.
04.
Yes.
80. 80.
Okay.
48.
48. Okay.
47.
Okay.
92.
Okay.
43.
43. Okay.
10.
Yes.
56.
56.
50.
50.
Yes.
Okay.
87.
87. Okay.
01.
01. Okay.
42.
Yeah.
74.
74.
41.
41.
08.
08.
85.
85.
33.
Okay.
23.
23.
66.
66.
75.
75.
31.
Okay. 31.
93.
93.
20.
Yeah.
57.
Okay.
53.
Okay. 53.
49.
Okay. 49.
64.
64.
12.
12.
71.
71.
30.
We're taken about 100 digits, okay, picked up from the random cards. Now I'm going to read out all these numbers to my daughter Pooja, and she's going to memorize using the technique called three-dimensional memory system. Pooja, are you ready? Okay, I start with 98,
Okay.
32,
Okay.
36,
Okay.
55,
Okay.
61,
Okay.
83,
Okay.
21,
Okay.
27,
Okay.
25,
Okay.
82,
Okay.
18,
Okay.
62,
Okay.
38,
Okay.
60,
Okay.
46,
Okay.
17,
Okay.
40,
Okay.
14,
Okay.
88,
Okay.
15,
Okay.
04,
Okay.
80,
Okay.
48,
Okay.
47,
Okay.
92,
Okay.
43,
Okay.
10,
Okay.
56,
Okay.
50,
Okay.
87,
Okay.
01,
Okay.
42,
Okay.
74,
Okay.
41,
Okay.
08,
Okay.
85,
Okay.
33,
Okay.
23,
Okay.
66,
Okay.
75,
Okay.
31,
Okay.
93,
Okay.
20,
Okay.
57,
Okay.
53,
Okay.
49,
Okay.
64,
Okay.
12,
Okay.
71,
Okay.
30.
Okay.
Right. Now, she had memorized all the digits which I have just audibly told about her. Now, which way are you comfortable? Would you like to recall forward or backward?
Anyways, fine.
Okay, she says anyway. Can we try the backward? Okay, try. Go backward, Mark.
Okay.
Start.
30.
Yes.
Okay. 71.
Yeah.
And then 12.
Yeah.
64.
Yeah.
49.
Yeah.
53.
Yeah.
57.
Yeah.
20.
Yeah.
93.
Oh.
And then 31.
Yes.
75.
Yes.
66.
Yes.
And then 23.
That's right.
And then 33.
Okay.
66.
No.
No. Okay. 33. And then 85.
Okay.
08.
Okay.
Okay. 08. And then 41.
That's right.
74.
Yeah.
42.
Yeah.
01.
Okay.
87.
Okay.
50.
Okay.
56.
Okay.
10.
Okay.
43.
Okay.
92.
Okay.
And then 47.
Okay.
48.
Okay.
80.
Okay.
04.
Okay.
15.
Okay.
88.
Okay.
14.
Okay.
40.
Okay.
17.
Okay.
46.
Okay.
60.
Okay.
38.
Okay.
62.
Okay.
18.
Okay.
82.
Okay.
25.
Okay.
27.
Okay.
21.
Okay.
And then 83.
Okay.
61.
Okay.
55.
Okay.
And then 36.
Okay.
32.
Okay.
And then it is 98.
Great applause. Right.
Yes, that was strange, wasn't it? How on earth could she memorize so many numbers, and how did she do them multidimensionally?
See, I have come out to this profound technique because of my daughter. When she was so young, she could able to remember many things. So that is an age where we had to store a lot of informations. So what I did, I studied a lot of books, okay, and attended many training done by eminent trainers of a different part of the world, and then came to a conclusion. And also what happened is, on the process, I could able to define or maybe develop a profound technique called three-dimensional memory. The three-dimensional memory is takes care of three different aspect or ability of our brain. The first dimension is registering ability. Second dimension is retaining ability of any information or events. The third dimension is to recall a retrieval ability of our brain.
Pooja also has a photographic memory where she can recollect the chapter names and the photos of personalities, if any, on the page of a book. She has also memorized some big books, and that is what she recollected from her memory.
Using my technique, three-dimensional memory system, it's not only the number, but also we can remember the pages of informations, any information related to that. Now I got a book in my hand, so I'm going to ask her, because she has already memorized this book, so I'm going to ask her randomly. Let's see. Okay, page number 323 and chapter number 81.
It's John Fitzgerald Kennedy.
That's true, ma'am. Now again, I'm going to randomly pick up the page. Let's see. The page number is 295 and the chapter number is 74.
J. Adi Tata, that is Jahangirji Ratanji Dadabai Tata.
That's right. And there is a date of birth of Jahangir Tata. What is the day, year of his birth and death of his, can you please tell me, ma'am?
Yeah, it is 1904
Yeah.
and then to 1993.
1993. That's a life activity of our...
J. Adi Tata.
Thank you so much. Now again I'm going to open a random sheet, page number 371 and the chapter number is 96. Who is there?
Lata Mangeshkar.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, randomly pick up. A page number 371 and the chapter number is 96.
It is Lata Mangeshkar.
That's true. See, again I'm picking a page number 141, chapter number 32.
Okay. It is Bon Jovi.
That's right, that's right. 67 page number and the chapter number is 19.
Okay. It is Audrey Hepburn.
Audrey
Hepburn. My dad has taught me a technique called three-dimensional memory system, which helps in almost memorizing everything, not only numbers, texts related to subjects and any other books or something. It is very helpful, and using that technique only I am memorizing all the things.
This 10th standard student is also a math wizard who is in the process of memorizing square root and cube root tables. Give any number to her that she has memorized and in a flash she will give you the answer.
Now I'd like to say the how the mind, the brain can store any product value of any digits. For example, square roots, let's say, of any numbers. I'm going to ask number 72, 61, 21, 15 and 50, let us say. Okay, ma'am. 72, what is the square root product of 72?
It is 8.426.
8.426.
26.
And what about 61?
7.810.
7.1?
7.810.
7.810. Great. Okay. 21?
Okay. 4.5.
4.5?
82.
82. Very good. What about 15?
15. 3.873.
3.873. Great. And what about 50? 50?
Okay. 7.071.
7.071. Absolutely right. Thank you.
Pooja has been trained since her childhood about the multi-dimensional memorizing technique by her father. Krishnamurthi's inspiration for developing this technique is his only daughter Pooja. The proud parents would not pressurize her in any of her decisions in the academic curriculum. Krishna is developing this technique to create an awareness that memorizing can be fun and can also be a cakewalk.
The three dimension is not equal proportionate with every human being. Either the recitation aspect will be more, sometimes for them retaining ability will be less. A person who has got a retaining ability, he may not be able to recall at the time of examination point of view. So through this technique, through this training, what I am trying to make them to understand the three aspects proportionately equal, so that they can store enormous number of information and can systematically stored and can be able to retrieve it very easily at their will. That's what I'm trying to do that.
Pooja, who loved the film Tare Zameen Par, is like any other normal girl except for the fact that she has been trained to memorize since childhood. When she was asked about what actually happens in her mind when she memorizes all that stuff, her answer is quite simple.
You're giving me single numbers, that is 4, 6, 7, 9, exact, 6. Fine. Using that, each number has an image. So while, I don't see a number as a number, I see it as an image. So when you tell me 4, I remember it has an image, and I imagine that image in my mind. So that is how I memorize.
Krishna is trying to say that nothing is impossible and that there is always a way. Seeing students who end their lives just because of scoring a couple of less marks, this dedicated father appeals to them by telling them that memorizing is a cakewalk and everybody can do it.
I have come across many students commit suicide for just realizing that they got very less marks in their examinations. It's very pathetic. Parents have spent a lot of money for the education, and they also expect too much from the children, and the children could not meet up this, and they end up life. So it pains me a lot. So I thought, why don't I develop a system or a formula for such people in the sense who are struggling to study, because the study process is a comprehension, keep the information for a longer period. So for that, this technique will help them, the three-dimensional memory formula.
Pooja aspires to become an IAS officer one day, and she is all set to achieve more milestones. She is in the process of memorizing religious books like the Gita and is preparing to make it a world record. She is also in the process of memorizing logarithm tables. This young girl, who loves chicken kebab, and all of her laurels and awards are related to memory competitions and other extracurricular activities.
I aspire to become an IAS officer. I'm a classical dancer. I love dancing, and then I love reading books related to mind, memory, and personality development. Good at that. And then that's it. Like watching TV. Yeah, watching Plan. That's my hobbies.
It's indeed a perfect blend of dad-daughter relationship. The dad, who is also a trainer, is all set to reveal to the world that memorizing can be fun and easy. Belly Thomas for News 9.